Demaya from VVSM Academy, situated in Kalyan Nagar. I am with my best good student, Mr. Wonkar is with me, who is studying in Vision PU College, Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. I am very happy to receive him in this pleasant morning. Well, friends, atomic theory. You know that matter is made up of a tiny particles called atoms. And atoms, any matter which is made up of atoms. The matter is also classified into elements, compounds and mixtures. The interrelated between the properties relating to elements, compounds and mixtures, and the interrelation with atoms and molecules, the fundamental secondary school of education. Now coming to the role of fundamental particles in atomic physics or quantum chemistry is concerned. Quantum chemistry is a branch of chemistry whose primary focus is the application of quantum mechanics in physical models and experiments, chemical systems. It is also called molecular quantum mechanics. Well, friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the role of fundamental particles, atomic physics and quantum chemistry. Particularly, the structure of atom is very important concept in science and technology. So, atom consists of electrons, protons and neutrons. The electrons, which are revolving around the nucleus of an atom, and the protons and neutrons are packed together in the nucleus, which are called nucleons. Well, friends, we will pass on to the important facts about the fundamental properties. You know that protons and neutrons have almost the same mass, while electrons approximately 200 times lighter. And the electrons move rapidly around the nucleus of constitute almost the entire volume of the atom. Although quantum mechanics are necessary to explain the motion of an electron about the nucleus, we can say that the distribution of electrons about an atom is such that the atom has spherical shape. Well, friends, this is another important concept of nuclear chemistry. Therefore, the chemical activity, properties or element is primarily depend upon the number of electrons in an atom. So, let us pass on to the important concepts of the distribution of electrons in the different orbitals, K, L, M, N, O, P, which are called the principal orbitals, and the S, P, D, F, which are called the suborbitals. Well, my dear friends, K shell, which has got a minimum number of electrons, 2 electrons, and L shell has got 8 electrons, and M shell has got 18 electrons, and N shell has got 32 electrons. This is the distribution of electrons in different orbitals. In atomic physics, in the quantum chemistry, the electronic configuration is the distribution of electrons of an atom or a molecule. So therefore, SPDF configuration, here the suborbital consists of the SPDF orbitals. Electronic configuration describe each electron is moving independently in the orbital. Mathematically, configurations are described by Slater determinants or configuration state functions. Discovery of fundamental particles. Rutherford overthrew the Thomson's model 1911 with the well-known gold foil experiment, and these are the important fundamental particles, electrons, protons and the nucleons, and further divisions of the advanced study of science and technology. Well, friends, discovery of fundamental particles, as I told you, the proton, neutron and electron. The charge is +1 of the proton and the mass is 1 and the location is nucleus. Neutron is concerned, it is a 0 in charge, the mass is 1 and the nucleus. Electron is -1 and the orbitals location is, it is present in the orbitals. Well, important scientists who are very important in the science and technology, Lord Rutherford, Thomson, etc. Those are the important persons, and they are telling about the alpha particles emitted by the radioactivity. Now, J.J. Thomson, an English physicist, discovered electrons in the year 1897. Goldstein, a German, discovered positive particles in the year 1898, that is protons. Ernest Rutherford, a New Zealand-born British, discovered protons and nucleus in the year 1911. And James Chadwick, an English, discovered neutrons in the year 1932. All these discoveries leads to the getting of the Nobel Prizes for the science and technology. Thank you, friends. Like, share and subscribe. This is the Voice of Science from VVSM Academy, situated in Kalyan Nagar. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.